So we recording. What's good, YouTube? What's up, back with another video, man? As y'all can see by the title, and as y'all can see by what I'm doing, we got another POV, man. So today, we about to be doing some interstate pulls. We about to go to interstate. So, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me roll one long time. Y'all already know how I go, man. You already, as y'all can see by the last videos, y'all know how it went. If y'all been watching my channel, but if not, make sure y'all go and like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. Cause we gonna be posting good content every day. Well, not every day, every weekend. Good POVs, good videos, good everything, man. I hope it don't start messing up like it did last time. But it's not that hot out here, so I doubt it would start doing that. But let me not say that though, cause I say that camera start messing up, so I ain't even gonna say that. We got a good little minute. I got on the map. All the new subscribers I got, man. All the love that y'all been showing, the support that y'all been showing on my last videos and shorts, man. Glad I can entertain y'all. Or if I did or didn't, you know. But I'm trying to be entertaining like this with every vehicle I'm in. Or y'all can just be watching me for what vehicle I am in. But hey, I be taking all day over here. Let me make sure we recording still. I'm still good. $7:18 right now. I could have shot a POV earlier, but I washed my car. I'm gonna probably show y'all that. We're gonna see if we can find some cars too, man. On this interstate that I'm about to go to. I'm going to it and talking about. Y'all see that? I don't need to be doing that, man. People that be racing me, I don't need to be doing that. They be thinking I be trying to race them. But I ain't even gonna do it though. Just still popping like crazy. G35, I think, or Infinity, whatever. No, I'm tripping. Don't flame me in the comment section. That's a G35. I mean, not a G30. I'm still saying, bro, just forget it. It's a 350Z. I'm tripping, bro. Go ahead and turn, man. See, y'all got people turning out in front of me. I also gotta purchase another tire and get these tires balanced, bro. Cause I'm tired of rocking like this, so I ain't even gonna hold you. My foot slipped again. Somebody got a camera, instant 360 on the back of their car. Oh no, that's not instant 360. That's like a phone rack. I mean, not a phone rack, a bike rack. I'm tripping. A lot of traffic out. I pretty much know where I'm going, but I just gotta, I don't know where I'm going once I get on the interstate. We just gonna drive till we see something. If I got enough battery life for that. And let me know if y'all like the drive there, like if y'all want me to, like, you know, show y'all the whole, dang, this light changes quick. If y'all want me to drive all the way there and show y'all like the whole process of me getting there, or do y'all just want to see the destination where I'm going? Y'all let me know that in the comment section. Today we just, you know what I'm saying, recording the whole process of me getting there and me there. But this might be a long video, so I might cut some of it. One thing I can say, man, I can't sit up here and act like I had to drive to make the video today or make a video today. But sometimes when you try to do something or got a certain goal in mind, you just got to kick out all those negative thoughts that you might have. Like in my mind, I'm just like, man, do I really want to do this video? Like I just start overthinking like heavy, like crazy. So when I realize I'm doing that, I catch myself and I kick it out of my head. That's something that should be learned, that y'all should also learn when y'all trying to achieve a goal. Kick out all those negative thoughts of your brain trying to tell you not to do something, and just do it. Like, just don't even think about it, just do it. We got Grand Cherokee. Don't look like nothing crazy though. Y'all see that coyote? I always see him around. It sound crazy though. It sound tamed. Mine ain't tamed at all. Mine's a beast out the cage. They're probably looking at me like, look at this kid with a GoPro on his head with his cheap car. And his cheap and loud car. Grand Cherokee, cut out then. All right, bro is cut. Bro going crazy. I'm trying to be conservative right now because that's where the police be at. But bro is gonna make me cut up and get around them. Downshift, I'm just letting everybody know that I'm about to, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? How they say it in Atlanta. You know that? Or if y'all from Atlanta, let me know how to say it. Teach me how to say it. I'm gonna roll the other window down once we get on the interstate. Do y'all like Maximas, man? I don't like the front of them, like the grill. I prefer an Altima over a Maxima, even though they said the Maxima is like the more sportier version of Altima. I just don't like it. Besides the new ones ain't that bad, the 2024, but the older ones like that, like 2013 and 14 and stuff, I don't like that. Our battery life's still looking good. We still recording. A lot of y'all like these ambient lighting, man. So I'm gonna drop the link for y'all probably in this video in the description. Cause I don't think I ever dropped the link. I sent it to a couple of y'all that asked for it, but I don't think I actually dropped the link on my one of my videos. So I'm gonna drop the link for that. And depending on the daylight or how much daylight I have left, then I'll show y'all the underglow lights if y'all haven't seen those already. But if I don't, I do have a video of both the ambient lighting and the underglow lights at night on my channel. They is playing around with me right now. Oh, Scatty Pat. Let's see if he's going the same way I'm going. Hopefully this car go kind of quick so I can catch up to him. Hopefully I don't miss him. This is not the place to cut up at right here. No Challengers be looking like monster trucks, man, with that suspension. This car is going so slow, gang. There go the Scat Pat right there. We caught up to him, and they about to turn. Good shot. We're gonna mess with him. Get some content.
And I promise I am.